In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your trash in Canva in the year 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important design or just want to recover something you tossed away, finding your trash is a simple task once you know where to look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Canva homepage. So, go ahead and log into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're there, take a good look around. This homepage is your central hub for all your creative work. Familiarizing yourself with this space will make navigating Canva much easier overall. Now, once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll see the trash icon. It might appear as a small, unassuming icon with a trash can graphic, easy to miss if you're not aware of its location. Given its somewhat subtle placement, it's designed to keep your workspace tidy while still being accessible when you need it. Clicking on the trash icon will open up a new window displaying all the designs you've deleted. This section of Canva acts as a safety net for those times when you might be considering that maybe, just maybe, you were a bit too hasty in your decision to hit delete. It's quite reassuring to have this feature, especially after spending hours perfecting a design only to decide you still need it after all. Here in the trash, you'll find a collection of your discarded work. The trash retains items for a certain period, allowing you to recover anything you might accidentally have deleted. Keep in mind that items aren't kept in trash indefinitely, so if you intend to reuse or restore a design, it's a good idea to act sooner rather than later. Remember, this is intended to be a temporary holding place, not a permanent backup. To restore a design from the trash, simply click on the design you wish to bring back. Canva also offers the option to permanently delete items from this section, but exercise caution when using this, since permanent deletion means just that, it's gone for good. If you're wondering about the duration these items stay in your trash, Canva typically holds onto deleted designs for 30 days. This gives you a month to reconsider your decisions. Beyond this period, designs might be automatically purged from your trash, so it's pivotal to retrieve any important materials before this time limit elapses. And that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can effortlessly navigate to and manage your trash in Canva. It's a small action that can save you a lot of hassle later. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.